Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will see how to deploy the RG supervision agent, RMM agent, through a GPO. First of all, we will need to create here on our portal a new node. So I can here do a right click, new node. After that here I just select the node and I go on download deployment kit and I will add a new kit. Just click on this button, put the name GPO kit here and click add. Now we have the deployment kit and the command line. We will need also here a script, so it would be a bat script, and I will give you the link into the video description. So here I just have to copy the text file here and I go on my domain controller server. So first on the server I will here open the Explorer and check in the View tab option, View here, and just check that this checkbox is disabled, hide extension for non-files type. Now I will open my group policy management. I open the forest domain, my domain, and right click here on default domain policy and edit. Here I will check on computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, and scripts. And we will do a startup script to deploy the RMM agent. So here I can click on Show Files button, and here I will push my scripts. So I just right click here, New, Text Document, and I will call it deploy rmm.bat. Right click on the BAT, edit to open it with a notepad, and I will paste my script. So in this script, I have to push information. First of all, I have to push the server source. So if I come back here, I just click on this address bar here and select the UNC path and paste it on my script. Then here I have to push the kit arguments. So if I come back to my dashboard here, on my kit, I will just copy from action to node. That's the arguments for the installation. I come back to my script here and I will replace it here. And then here I have this link to download the last version of the RMM exe file. So I just copy it, open my web browser, and download the file. Now I just open the Explorer and cut and paste the exe file on my UNC path. So here I have my script and my exe file. So now I will save the script and quit the notepad. And now I just have to add here and browse and select my script. So the script is now here. I click OK. I can close the windows. I can check here with a PowerShell command gp update /force. Okay, no error was found. And now I can start my PC. And now I can see that I have my PC in my dashboard. The GPO is okay. Thank you for watching.